Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Feeling like you've hit a wall by lunchtime? In today's video, 10 creative smoothie recipes to boost your energy. We're tackling this energy crisis head on with 10 brilliant, delicious smoothie recipes that'll send those energy levels soaring. We're talking vibrant flavors, nutrient-packed ingredients, and enough power to fuel your day. Get those blenders ready because we're about to transform your routine, one delicious sip at a time. First, green powerhouse. Right, let's kick things off with this green smoothie. Don't turn your noses up, this is no ordinary salad in a glass. We're talking spinach packed with iron for that get up and go. Then we've got avocado, creamy, delicious, and full of healthy fats to keep those energy levels steady. And finally, the secret weapon, chia seeds. These little beauties are packed with fiber and protein, keeping you fuller for longer. Now get your spinach in the blender. A good handful, none of that wilted rubbish. Then add avocado. Half will do and make sure it's ripe, plus almond butter, chia seeds, almond milk, and a dash of honey. Blitz it until it's smooth and voila. This, my friends, is not just a drink, it's a power-up for your day. Second, tropical mango turmeric boost. Now we're heading to the tropics with a tantalizing smoothie. This one's bursting with flavor and sunshine, mango sweet, juicy, and packed with vitamins. Turmeric, the golden spice, bringing its A-game with anti-inflammatory properties. Add pineapple pieces, a good cupful of ripe mango chunks, banana, Greek yogurt, fresh ginger, and to top it off, coconut water. Nature's very own electrolyte drink. Finally, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Blitz it all up and get ready for a taste of sunshine. This is not your average smoothie. It's a tropical vacation in a glass. Third, berry almond delight. All right, let's get serious for a minute with this delicious treat. We're talking antioxidants, those little ninjas that fight off free radicals. And who better to lead the charge than a medley of mixed berries? We've got blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, the lot. Next up, almond butter, creamy, nutty, and full of healthy fats. Add a tablespoon of oats, flax seeds, and unsweetened almond milk. And for an extra boost of protein and fiber, a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Blend till smooth and prepare for an antioxidant explosion. This berry almond delight is not just a smoothie, it's a fountain of youth in a glass. Fourth, chocolate peanut butter energy blast. This next one is for the chocolate lovers. If you have a sweet tooth and a love for all things chocolate, you're in for a real treat. We're talking about a fantastic energy blast, the ultimate indulgence that's actually good for you. Imagine the creamy, nutty goodness of peanut butter combined with the rich, velvety taste of chocolate. Yes, you heard me right. This isn't just a dessert, it's a powerhouse of energy and flavor. We're combining the irresistible flavors of chocolate and peanut butter with a powerful energy boost. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but in a much healthier way. First up, peanut butter, the king of nut butters packed with protein and healthy fats. It's not just delicious, it's also incredibly nutritious, giving you the energy you need to power through your day. Then we've got cocoa powder, the soul of chocolate, adding richness and depth of flavor. Cocoa is also loaded with antioxidants, making it a guilt-free pleasure. And for an extra kick, a shot of espresso. This will give you that much-needed boost to keep you alert and focused. Peanut butter, a generous dollop because we're not messing around. The more, the merrier. Cocoa powder, a couple of tablespoons for that rich chocolatey goodness. Don't skimp on this, it's what makes the drink so indulgent. A ripe banana, the riper, the sweeter, the better. Bananas add natural sweetness and a creamy texture to the smoothie. Add some chia seeds, oats, and almond milk. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy, and prepare for a flavor explosion. The blending process ensures that all the ingredients are perfectly combined, giving you a silky smooth drink. This chocolate peanut butter energy blast is not just a smoothie. It's a decadent treat that will power you through your day. It's perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, or even a post-workout refuel. Enjoy every sip. 5th, Matcha Coconut Energy Kick. Alright, you lot, let's get zen with this one. This is for those who need a little boost of focus and clarity. We're talking matcha, the superhero of green tea, packed with antioxidants and a gentle, sustained energy boost. And to complement this green powerhouse, we've got creamy tropical coconut milk. Now get your matcha ready. A teaspoon of this vibrant green powder is all you need. Coconut milk, the full fat kind, because we're not afraid of a little indulgence. You could add some banana, spinach, and a drizzle of maple syrup to enhance the natural sweetness. Whisk the matcha with a little hot water until it's smooth and frothy. Blend it all until smooth and creamy, and prepare for a taste of zen. This matcha coconut energy kick is not just a smoothie. It's a meditation in a glass. 6th, the Orange Creamsicle Reviver. This next one is a blast from the past. A nostalgic treat that's both delicious and good for you. Remember those creamy orange popsicles from your childhood? Well, this smoothie is like the grown-up version. First up, orange is juicy, tangy, and bursting with vitamin C. Then we've got Greek yogurt, creamy, tangy, and packed with protein. Now peel and segment your oranges. A couple of large ones should do the trick. Add Greek yogurt, a generous dollop, because we're not afraid of a little protein power. Optional extras are banana, vanilla extract, and coconut water. Blitz it all up until smooth and creamy, and prepare for a taste of your childhood. This Orange Creamsicle Reviver is not just a smoothie, it's a trip down memory lane. A 7th, Cinnamon Apple Pie Smoothie. This one's for those who crave the comforting flavors of apple pie. We're talking apples, sweet, tart, and full of fiber. Cinnamon, the warm, comforting spice that's also known for its metabolism-boosting properties. And for a creamy, satisfying base, we've got oats, a good source of complex carbohydrates. Now chop up your apple. A medium-sized one should do the trick. Add some oats, half a cup, for a creamy, satisfying texture, some almond butter, Greek yogurt, and almond milk. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy, and prepare for a taste of fall in a glass. This cinnamon apple pie smoothie is not just a smoothie, it's a warm hug on a chilly day. 8th, Blueberry Oatmeal Protein Shake. Listen up, my friends, because this next one is for the early birds. If you're someone who loves to start the day with a burst of energy, then this is for you. We're the ultimate breakfast of champions. It's not just a drink, it's a powerhouse meal in a glass. This protein-packed powerhouse will fuel your morning and keep you going strong until lunchtime. Imagine starting your day with something that tastes amazing and keeps you full. We're talking blueberries, tiny but mighty, packed with antioxidants and a sweet, tangy flavor. These little berries are not just delicious, they're superfoods. Oats, a great source of complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. They provide the kind of energy that keeps you going without the crash. And for a boost of protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied, we've got vanilla protein powder. This isn't just any protein powder. It's the key to making this shake a complete meal. Blueberries, a generous handful, fresh or frozen, will do the trick. They add that perfect burst of flavor and nutrition. Oats, half a cup, for a creamy, satisfying texture. They blend in perfectly, giving the shake a hearty feel. Vanilla protein powder, 1 scoop, level off. This is what makes the shake not just tasty, but also incredibly nutritious. Add some flax seeds and a good amount of almond milk. Mix them all up until smooth and creamy, and prepare for a breakfast that will power you through your morning. It's quick, easy, and perfect for those busy mornings. This blueberry oatmeal protein shake is not just a smoothie. It's a breakfast of champions. Start your day right and feel the difference in your energy levels and mood. 9th, Avocado Kiwi Energizer. Now let's get tropical again. This smoothie is for those who love the creamy, tangy combination of avocado and kiwi. We're talking avocado, the good fat superhero, packed with healthy fats. Kiwi, a tangy, tropical fruit that's a good source of vitamin C and fiber. Now cut open your avocado, a ripe one, of course. Kiwi peel and chop it up. We're going for a smooth and creamy texture here. Add some spinach leaves, banana, lime juice, and coconut water or almond milk, plus a drizzle of honey or maple syrup just to taste. Blitz it all up until smooth and creamy, and prepare for a taste of the tropics. This avocado kiwi energizer is not just a smoothie, it's just another tropical vacation in a glass. 10th, beetroot and berry vitality smoothie. Listen up, my friends, because this final smoothie is not for the faint of heart. It's bold, it's vibrant, and it's packed with nutrients that will give you a serious energy boost. This beetroot and berry vitality smoothie is a vibrant, earthy, and utterly delicious way to boost your energy levels. It definitely is a feast for the eyes and a treat for your taste buds. We're talking about the earthy, sweet root vegetable that's packed with nitrates to improve blood flow. Beetroot is known for its deep, rich color and its ability to enhance athletic performance. Then we have berries, a medley of your favorites, bursting with antioxidants and a sweet, tangy flavor. These little powerhouses are not only delicious, but also help fight inflammation and keep your immune system strong. Now, get your beetroot ready. Roasted or pre-cooked is best. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness of the beetroot, making it even more delicious. Then your favorite berries or a mix of them. Add a generous handful of them. Fresh or frozen will do the job. Whether you pick them fresh from the market or use frozen ones from your freezer, they will add a burst of flavor and nutrition. And for a touch of sweetness and creaminess, add a banana. The riper, the sweeter, the better. Bananas would add a natural sweetness and a creamy texture that makes this smoothie irresistible. Blend them all up until smooth and creamy and prepare for a smoothie that's as delicious as it is good for you. The blending process ensures that all the ingredients are perfectly combined, giving you a silky, smooth texture. This beetroot and berry vitality smoothie is not just a smoothie, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. It's a perfect way to start your day or recharge after a workout. Enjoy every sip of this nutrient-packed delight. There you have it, folks. 10 energy-boosting smoothies to transform your routine from sluggish to superhuman. We've got green powerhouses, tropical delights, chocolatey indulgences, and even a blast from the past. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these smoothies will you be whipping up first? Get creative, experiment with different ingredients, and don't be afraid to share your own smoothie creations in the comments below. The only limit is your imagination. Remember to give us a thumb up if you liked today's video. And if you're hungry for more healthy tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now go forth and unleash your inner smoothie ninja. Till the next time, goodbye, my friends.